I'm very excited to show you these jobs that needs no education, no skills at all, and you can end up making more than $3,000 up to $4,000 on a monthly basis. And I'm going to show you this email that I received just after I joined on this website. I was looking out for the job to do, and this is what they emailed me right after I joined on this website. Alright, so all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website and you have to write right here the job that you're looking for. As you can see, I'm writing dog walking, and I'm supposed to write my location because it's very important for this website to know where I come from. And as you can see here, I'm writing here, and you have to click search, and this is amount of money that you can get paid per hour just by walking with dog. And as you can see here, $189 for one day, but also you can see here $3,000 per 1 month just walking with dog. This is a significant amount of money, and if you really want to do this job, there are a lot of jobs available on this website. And right now I'm going to show you all these jobs that pays a significant amount of money, and all these jobs, they require no education at all, no skills at all. So let's dive in and see. Alright, so our first job is delivery, and if you're looking for the job without significant skills, I think this job is for you. So all you want to do is for you to go to this website, which is called Indeed. And the good thing about this job is that you can end up making more than $3,000 in 1 month, and this is what you want to do right now. So you need to go to this website and then search for delivery driver. Then you need to write your location because it's very important for this website to know your location. So you can see all these companies which are looking for delivery driver, and then you have to apply here. Then your task will be to deliver different packages and food from place to place. Just by doing that, you can earn more than $3,000 in 1 month. So let's say that you're not from America, let's say that you're from Nigeria, Africa, let's say that you're from Europe, London, and all this stuff. So all you want to do is for you to go on Google and search for delivery truck and the location. And let's say that you're from Nigeria, you have to write for delivery truck in Nigeria. You can see too many companies, they are looking for someone who is looking for a job to be a deliverer. So this is very important for you to understand that these jobs are available in too many countries. The problem with that, many people, they just don't know about it. So you have to go ahead and try to search your country and this category of delivery driver. But if you're from America, you just have to go to this website, which is called Indeed, and search for delivery truck, and you can see all these great companies which they are looking for a person like you. And you can just choose any company that you think you are interested in, and you can read the reviews. A lot of drivers out there, they talk about how this website is good, how this website can really pay you up to $4,000 in 1 month. So go ahead and try. Alright, so our next job that requires no advanced skills is that housekeeping. I know a lot of people, they know about this, but you just don't know that you can make up to $2,000 up to $3,000 just by doing housekeeping. And there are a lot of great people who are looking for someone like you who can work for them, and they can pay you significant amount of money. So all you want to do is for you to go on this website Indeed, and you have to search for housekeeper. As you can see right here, I'm writing housekeeper, and you can see the amount of money that you can get paid just after choosing housekeeper. All the choices are yours. You can choose to work part-time, or you can choose to work full-time, and you can get decent amount of money. So I really encourage you to go to this website, and if this website is not available in your country, you can just search on Google, search housekeeper in Nigeria, housekeeper in Namibia, housekeeper in London. You can see there are a lot of people who are looking for someone who can work for them, and in return you can get decent, reasonable amount of money, not less than $1,000. Alright, so if you love animals, this is the best thing that you can do to start making money up to $3,000 by doing something that you really love. On this website, you can find this job of dog walking, and they pay decent amount of money, more than $3,000 up to $4,000 just by walking with dog. And all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, and you can search right here dog walking, and you can see how much you can get paid. And many people, they're looking for someone who can help them by walking with their dogs. And the good thing about this job is that it's very fun, but also it can be entertaining just by working with dogs. So this is something that requires no skills at all or no education at all. All you want to do right now is for you to go on this website and apply for this job, because there are a lot of people who are looking for someone like you. And if you're not from America, as I said before, you can just go on Google and write dog walking, and you have to mention your country. You can find too many people that are looking for somebody like you who can work with dog and get paid a decent amount of money. So you have to go ahead and see how much you're really gonna make just by doing that. Next on the list we have data entry clerk. And how does this work? Let's say that you receive form with details like names and contact information. This is how your job will be like. All this information like contact information, names, all the data, you have to enter this into your system, and after that you'll be paid more than $3,000. And you can see on this website there are a lot of great companies which are looking for a person like you who can enter this data and you can get decent amount of money. I've seen this job is available in too many countries in the world, so you have to go ahead and search it. But if you're from USA, you have to go ahead on this website and search data entry clerk. You can see all these companies which are looking for a person like you who can do the work and get paid. So you have to go ahead and try to see how much you're gonna make on this website. Alright, so another job that requires no skills at all, no education at all, is called customer care representative. The good thing about this task is that you can get paid more than $1,000 on a weekly basis, but also you can end up making more than $4,000 in a month, and this is a decent amount of money. This is exactly what you'll be doing just after getting employed on this company. So you're gonna have to read the different emails of the company, but also you're gonna be talking and chatting with different customers of that company, but you'll be able to track shipment, and also you can be the one who processes order of that company. So you're gonna have to do that and you can get a decent amount of money. I've seen a lot of people they are doing this, and as you can see here, a lot of reviews, they say that this company they're paying significant amount of money. So all you're gonna do right now is to go ahead and apply to this job. After that you can start making this reasonable amount of money. Alright, so all these jobs that I've mentioned in this video, they can really pay you decent amount of money. But before going on and apply to these jobs that I've mentioned in this video, I want to tell you one thing, and I think this is a very important thing for you to consider before taking any step. You have to go to this website and you can search a particular job that you think you're really good at, and you can see all these reviews down here. It's very important for you to read all the reviews and see how people are talking about a particular job. After that you'll be able to decide if you're really going to try this or you can try another job. I really encourage you, it's very necessary for you to read all the reviews before taking any step. So I really hope that this video is going to help you and is really going to change your life just after deciding what you really want to do this year. Because I know a lot of people, they say that it's really hard to get a job if you don't have education, but in today's world it's very easy to get employed even if you don't have any skills or any education at all. So if you're from America, you can just go to this website which is called Indeed.com. But if you're not from America, you can just go on Google and search any job that you're looking for, and you have to mention your country in front of that job. After that you will find too many opportunities that are online. Thanks so much, and I hope that this video is really going to help you. See you next time.